What's up, guys? Welcome back to Qara's Kitchen. And I know it's been a long time, but I'm back. And today we are making this sweet potato casserole. So I am starting off with 3 rather large sweet potatoes. Now, if you don't want to make a lot of this, you can always adjust the recipe, but I am going in with some butter and some eggs, and I'm just going to blend that till everything is nice and smooth. And I'm also going to make sure I rinse my like a little whisk or whatever you want to call those things, the blenders, rinse them off to get those strings off, and we're going to repeat that process until we get most of those strings out. Now I'm just going in with some heavy whipping cream, and then I'm going to add my spices and sugar to taste. And again, all the ingredients will be down in the description box. And don't forget your vanilla and fresh lemon juice. So once you got it tasting how you want the taste, we're going to work on our pecans. And you just want to dice up some pecans finely chopped, and you want to add some cornstarch, some brown sugar, and melted butter. Now just bake for 30 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and after that you can dig in. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.